Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. We're going to talk about the debt collection results. I feel like it's an election or something. The Missouri results are posted, and I'm going to go through these. These are debt collection lawsuits. I'm going to go through how many, the defaults, everything. They're actually reported the defaults. Even though it shows a number for the defaults, there were actually more people who had lost. Uh, but I'm going to go into detail on that. Please like this video to help with the algorithm to get more people to see the good videos that I'm making to be able to help people like you and them through their debt, repairing their credit, and overall just well-being of being able to take control of their own mind and their own thoughts. So Missouri is reporting we have 114,322 lawsuits from 2020 to March, January 2020 to March 2022. 93.8% of the people did not have legal representation, which is not a surprise because if you are having a hard time making your payments on something and you fell behind, how are you going to pay an attorney on an hourly billable rate to be able to go at, to help you out with a debt collector? It's just not gonna work. The reason why that number that number is actually the 93.8%. Don't be fooled by that because the other 7% or the 6.2% is going to be from business owners. I'm almost guarantee it. And it states here that 38.1% of them resulted in default judgment. That means that thousands of people didn't even show up to court. But as I've shown in other videos, usually 95% of the people, 97% of the people lose because they do not put up any type of uh, affirmative defense against these debt collectors. There's a lot of things that you can challenge when dealing with third party debt collectors. So we can see here LVNV funding did 20,619 lawsuits, Midland Credit Management 12,127 lawsuits, Portfolio Recovery Associates 9,738, Calvary 4,238, Capital One Bank, which is starting to take people to court themselves rather uh, than selling off their debt because they're figuring that they can get because the default judgments are so high and people don't have representation, they're gonna more than likely win as an original creditor. They're like, hey, we could just garnish their wages. That's what they're doing. And then we'll skip the metropolitan St. Louis sewer district. Obviously, that's going to be the water bills and stuff like that. People have to deal with those. Midland funding, 2,778. Freeman Health Systems, that must be medical debt. Jefferson Capital Systems showing 2,659, and Citibank in a excuse me, which are starting to actually take the same route as Capital One, but they're usually doing this early in the game if they feel that after doing skip tracing on individuals' credit reports that they feel that they have assets that they'd be able to get from them, and part of that asset check is to see if that individual is employed. All right, so I just wanted to get these numbers out to you as they come from different states. I'm going to get them over to you. If you have third-party debt collectors coming after you, there's a link below this video where you can sign up for a service where I'll show you how to respond yourself, or you can hire us to do it, and it'll show you exactly the different ways that you can challenge from third-party debt collectors. You have a good chance of winning if you make the challenge the right way. All right. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different. See my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores so you can see how the information is displaying on your credit reports, go to the website the number 3 scores.com to grab those. And then if it's early in the game, before the debt collectors come after to sue you, grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, cease and desist collection activities letter, and debt validation letter that can help stop debt collectors. Post your questions and comments below this video. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for the next video. Thank you for your time.